Good morning. Oh, it's Sunday, last day of riding, and today's the day that we have to do the 10-hour journey back home after the whole day of riding. Oh, savage, but it is what it is. Last night. Hey, morning. We're ready for some motorbiking action today.
The last day of madness.
Last day of madness. That's it. We had a little bit of rain last night. Everything's like really quite wet, but oh well, it's all good fun, isn't it? I can't wait to go through some lakes and that today. What it looks like before the day starts, though. There's our camp. Look, we've got quite a big camp. Give us a wave. We've got quite a big camp our way, but as always, need to get to that shower and all the facilities, get ourselves ready for today's riding. But luckily there's not too many puddles here, so hopefully it's not too bad out there, but there are enough some deep sections that are going to fill. There's some lovely chalk sections. Yeah, it's going to be good fun with that lot, but yeah, let's see what happens, I guess. This is all the VAP sort of side of it. Over here is quite cool. We never knew that you can also rent party buses. They sleep 8 people, kitchens, all that. Pretty cool. Showers, toilets and all the facilities. There we are. We got the bikes ready. Snoop's on his. Let's go push them over there and have a ride.
This is me and Ian trying the spot that Dean and Ian done last year. See if we can hurt ourselves.
I'll rip the which one? This one now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that one quick.
Oh, hey, he's come off. This one's got quite a few nasty ruts to run through, or to pick from.
Kind of fell off.
Yeah, I got it. If you like kicking your bike over half the day and coming off on these hills, then this is the place to come.
I'm going to try and rip that one.
Oh no, it was that one. Ah!
That's how deep the V is. So deep it grabbed my bike.
Dirty. Cool, you seen the hole in the next one? Have you seen the hole in that one?
Savage. Oh, fuck that. Hill climb galore, seriously. Saving fuel. Hey! Know that one?
Yeah, I do. It's tight at the top, it's millimetres at the top, but...
Yeah, they're quite tight ruts, them. Some of them anyway. So, should we smack the GoPro on the bike and let's go for just like a trail run? I see a lot of lakes and rivers and stuff around. Let's go have a look. Climb that and then we're going to what, head round and do the rivers? Yeah. Cool. Do these rivers then. Hey, we're all back at camp. Yep. Oh, let's check these bikes over. Make sure they're all good. Have some lunch. We'll crack on, eh, Kieran?
Yeah, boys.
Yeah, buddy. So, having a little check over on the bikes. Got a bit of a loose fender on the front there I'm going to have to pay attention to. Good front tyre there as well. The rears are all doing well. Need to adjust the chain up on this little one. Always happens when you get new sprockets and chains though. Back brake still works, which is quite amazing for a pit bike. Might need to just adjust the old rod there a little bit. But other than that, she's taken a few hits from a few hills, and we've still got all the levers and still got some straight bars. Then we're on to Kieran's, We got a good back brake. We've still got a nice chunky tyre, which is nice. We're going to have to check the oil levels on both bikes. But Kieran's suffering with the front brake fault today. There was something with the pity, isn't there, Kieran?
Yeah, definitely.
You enjoying those crisps, pal?
Yeah, they're good. Fiery prawn and cocktail.
I might give them a try in a bit. But yeah, so we're going to have to try and get the front brake working a bit better. Still got pad life, I think. Yeah, we've got pad life. So yeah, check the oils, clean the filters, adjust some chains, get some brakes adjusted. Let's do this. There we go.
Front brake's all done. Just needed good bleed out and new pads.
Hey!
Now works. Perfect. Now just taking the throttle off, giving the shaft, the good old length shaft there.
Yeah.
Give that a clean, wipe all the grit and that off and put it back on, and that'll be it. And then an oil change.
So here we are. Snoopy's all back together. Looking pretty good, dude. How much fuel have we used? Like nothing. Look, that's it. Oh, still to the brim, and I fell off more than I flipping rode the thing. So you fall off and all the fuel comes out. So, going back out in the 160 and 140 now. We found a cool little river section. So, let's go have a bit of a play, eh?
Yeah.
Oh shit! That's a bit deep, isn't it? Oh. Sorry mate, nearly hit you. What do you reckon through that boggy bit? Oh, so that is tiring, I'm not going to lie. You can't see in the water, or the stones for our inch wheels anyway. But look at all these, literally pops up, comes back in, pops up, comes back in. That bit is gnarly deep. Me and Kieran missed that out earlier. It was good fun. Oh, but it goes all the way down the riverbed. A few closed trees. Obviously you're not allowed to ride up and down the streams, but you are allowed to cross them. So that's what we've been doing. Not often you get to ride a bit of this. Beautiful place. Lovely. Lovely. But I think now maybe jump back on the bikes and sort of see where we end up. Are you wet now then? Right, I'm going to start now. We're going to have to change the filter. Oh, I got it all on camera though. Yeah. Near the end of the day anyway, I suppose, yeah. But I'm going to try and go for it. I don't know if that's a wise idea, that one. Yeah, this one looks like mud. Oh my god, that's so deep! It's like sinking mud. The longer you stay on it, the more you sink into it. Want me to go back to the van and try and get a fresh filter?
I'll just drunk it over, even that.
Probably got water in the carb.
Yeah, it definitely got water in the carb, I couldn't see it.
Yeah, it fell on its side. As soon as it dropped, I was like, no. Yeah. It's also gone in the petrol cap hole. It would have gone in that hole.
Yeah. I don't know if it was gone that deep. Yeah. It was only like up to that underwater.
They are good though, obviously you dropped it, otherwise. Fucking pan, I've fucking gone for it.
I can't push it no further than that.
Oh, is it hydrolocked?
I don't know.
Put it in gear and try and nudge it. No, don't do that then. We need to take the spark plug out and let the water out. There's water in the engine.
Yeah, I thought as much.
Yeah, if you kick it, you'll bend the piston and rod.
I'll find out what time it is. Alright, back and start getting changed and that. You can carry on.
No, I've had enough, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've had enough.
Fair enough.
Why, and we've still got battery on the old camera, man. We thought we'd wash the bikes off at the end and go through here, and if the bikes died, they died. Obviously, Kieran dropped his, so it died.
Swimming.
But that was a bloody good time out. My bike works perfect.
Yeah.
So would yours otherwise. But
I'd still be riding mine if I didn't go underwater with it.
Oh,
It don't make a good scuba diver.
that's it. What a chuckle. That is one excellent time at DrumClog. There is so much to ride here. It is good fun. Yeah, highly recommend you come and try it.
Yeah, definitely.
If you like hill climbs,
we've got to try.
yeah, definitely a tick off the old lister. But for now, we're going to try and get Snoop's back and see where we go from there. Let's go and save Snoop on the old 110. Haha. Hey, sorry mate, it was as quick as it could be.
No, that's fine. It was good as far as you can see.
They've all packed up, pal.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all packing up and that, and all the tents are down. So, oh yeah, good fucking find, mate.
Come now anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we've all finished for the riding today. Still got a full working bike, just no rear brake, typical pit bike. 110 was ready to save the day with Kieran, but didn't need to in the end. 110 still working. We've had no punctures. Don't forget your rubbish. But Kieran's managed to hydrolock his bike, so we are literally getting the water out of the engine. He's obviously going to have to do some oil changes and that, but after this weekend I think we've got to do oil changes and that anyway. Yeah. So yeah, we'll let the plug out, kick it over, get the water out that's locked up the engine, and see where we go from there. Oh, look at all that water. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my days. Go on, give it a kick. Oh, it's going everywhere. Oh, oh. No, that is savage. Oh dear. There we go. I wonder if the oil's filled right up with water. Well, it is quite high as well, so maybe the water went in through the breathe jet, but that... Yeah, well there you go, that's what hydrolocking is.
Should I jump that out now?
I would, yeah, I'd drop it. Snoop's drained his oil. I'd say we have about a litre. Well, no, actually, of water coming out. It was really, really bad. I was saying as well, we just went through the tank run and these are like absolutely dripping. Not even just wet, they are flipping sogged. Look at it all. Yeah, the bike works perfect. Oh, ha, ha, ha.
Nice.
One wet filter, bud.
That's what you do when you go swimming.
Yeah. Gonna say goodbye, lads. Hey, we got that one in the back. Where is he? Say goodbye, mate. Hey. Oh dear. Right. Have a good trip, boys. Catch you next time. Me and Snoop are almost there.
Close.
Let's do this.
Honey.
And there they go. Latest, lads. What a bloody good time. Got to get out of this bumpy field now. So there we are. One time DrumClog, the second time for me, first time for Kieran. 2023, and we are now on our way home. If you like hill climbs, river sections, straights and trails, this is the place for you. But Kieran, what do you think?
Yeah, it's definitely worth a try. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. It's definitely been knackering, so make sure you're fit and healthy when you do it. Otherwise you'll be blowing out your bum out all the time.
Yeah, so not a lot of kick starting when you don't make it up and down the hills.
Yeah.
The other bad part is when you can't get back down the hill. It's a savage moment, isn't it?
That makes it the fun part though, is are you going to survive it back down that hill?
But there we go. So maybe next year we'll try and get a few more boys, come back and do it all over again.
Yeah, definitely.
Sounds good. Cheers for now.